How to fix Snapchat search not working. So if you're also in the situation, the first thing that you can try out is within the app of Snapchat and try to clear the app cache. So just hop into the app, head over to the settings menu, and then scroll down from here until you reach this section of accounts action, and under accounts action you'll be able to see the option called clear cache. You can just tap on this option and then tap on continue. Now once you complete this step, make sure you close the Snapchat app from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the Snapchat app from your phone and then again reinstall it. This ensures that you have the latest version of this application. What you can also try out is try to restart your phone, because sometimes your phone glitches as well, and by restarting it you should be able to fix this issue. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.